Hello, everyone, and welcome to Update Australia. I'm your host, Priya Bansal. And today we have a very interesting conversation lined up. In Australia, the Indian community continues to grow, and along with it, the efforts to preserve and promote Indian culture and spirituality is also increasing. One such major spiritual event connected with Bageshwar Dham, the message of Sanatan Dharma, is being organized here in Australia. This event is organized by and inspired by the teaching of renowned spiritual leader Dhirendra Krishna Shastri. Those discourses have gained massive attention among followers across the world. To talk about this initiative, we are joined by Praveen Sharma, who is one of the key organizers behind this spiritual and cultural event to Australia. Let's welcome Praveen and understand the vision behind this wholesome event. A very warm welcome to you, Mr. Praveen.
Thank you so much to have me on air.
Yeah, hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good too. Let's just start from this only. The whole event is organized by your team, and what kind of event is organizing, and what are the dates? How will it start? And please just tell me the whole event which will take place.
Yeah, so this is like Sanatan Sangam. This is like the world largest ever held event abroad at such a iconic place, Opera House. Opera House is like the world-known monument. So it's first time happening over here that
Yes.
in Opera House Sanatan Sangam happening, and people are coming from all over the world.
Mm-hmm.
Like I'm getting calls from the USA, I'm getting calls from Canada, New Zealand, Fiji, and so many places. So people are coming from Melbourne, Brisbane, and so excited about this event. And this is about the collection of the peace, harmony, and our Sanatan Dharma and the culture. Puja Gurudev is coming with the message of Vasudev Kutumbakam. So he
Yes.
will talk on that, and Indian diaspora in Australia so very excited about that event.
Basically, Sanatan Dharma is spreading worldwide nowadays. If we consider about the abroad or the other countries, it's taking place each and everywhere. And if may I talk about the Sanatan Dharma, the culture, the tradition going on in Australia, can you please just elaborate that too?
Yes, in Australia, basically, Sanatan Dharma is spreading, and people are seeking for the peace. They want to learn about the Indian culture. So many people are living over here. They've never been to India. They don't know about the Indian culture. They don't know about the Sanatan Dharma.
Right.
They don't know about our God. So if Guruji is coming over here with the message of like Vasudev Kutumbakam, so this is the like the umbrella for the whole world. People can come over here and they can see the glimpse of Sanatan Dharma here in Australia at the iconic Opera House, Sydney. So Indian community over here, they are very excited because Sanatan Dharma is like the world known word, and we are so excited. People are coming here from all different countries, and Sanatan Dharma is like Guruji धीरेन्द्र कृष्ण शास्त्री. एवरीबडी नो हिम. सब उनको जानते हैं, सब उनको सुनते हैं. उनकी बहुत बड़ी फैन फॉलोइंग है ऑस्ट्रेलिया में. सो लोग बहुत एक्साइटेड है यहाँ पे इंडियन डायस्पोरा, एंड वी आर वेटिंग फॉर गुरुजी ओवर हियर एट आइकॉनिक सिडनी ओपेरा हाउस.
Yeah, exactly. Everyone is welcoming him and everyone is so excited. क्योंकि सनातन धर्म की खास तौर पर बात करें तो कहीं ना कहीं लोगों में एक उत्साह होता है, एक उमंग होती है, और हमारे देश के प्रवासी लोग हैं जो वहां पर रह रहे हैं, और कहीं ना कहीं धीरेन्द्र शास्त्री जी की फैन फॉलोइंग भी काफी ज्यादा स्ट्रांग मानी जाती है. और लेकिन इस बार एक इंटरेस्टिंग चीज जो ज्यादा देखने को मिल रही है प्रवीण जी, वो ये है कि ओपेरा हाउस के अंदर ये पूरा इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज हो रहा है. इफ विल टॉक अबाउट द ओपेरा हाउस एंड द wholesome event, can you please just tell more of that?
So इफ वी रिमेम्बर, स्वामी विवेकानंद जी शिकागो गए थे और वहां से एक बड़ा मैसेज उन्होंने बड़ी जगह से दिया था. अगर कोई एक सनातन को रिलेटेड अगर कोई बड़ा मैसेज जाना चाहिए तो गुरुदेव का आदेश था वो किसी बड़ी जगह से जाना चाहिए अगर हम विदेश में रह रहे हैं तो ओपेरा हाउस से बड़ा कोई वेन्यू नहीं है ऑस्ट्रेलिया के अंदर. नॉट इन जस्ट ऑस्ट्रेलिया. इफ यू टॉक अबाउट एनी अदर कंट्री, ओपेरा हाउस वेल नोन प्लेस. तो अगर कोई बड़ा मैसेज गुरुदेव को पास करना है सनातन के लिए तो ओपेरा हाउस इज लाइक द बेस्ट प्लेस फॉर दैट वन. और ये उन्हीं के आदेश से हुआ है. उन्हीं की गाइडेंस में हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं. एंड हम लोग बहुत एक्साइटेड हैं इसके लिए। जो गुरुदेव ने आदेश किया है वो हम कर रहे हैं, और हम लोग उनको स्वागत करने के लिए यहाँ पे बहुत उत्साहित हैं। वी आर सो एक्साइटेड, नॉट जस्ट लाइक इंडियन डायस्पोरा इज गैदरिंग, people are coming from different communities as well, because this is the event for Indian and Australian people, for both, so both can learn, because Australia is like multicultural country. Everybody welcome here, and people over here, they respect each and every culture and dharma. So
Right.
we just displaying our culture over here. Yeah.
Yeah. People are somehow getting very spiritual and related to our culture. If we'll talk about the purpose of the event and the feedback which people are getting from, and people are will take place, and if we'll talk about the purpose and the feedback together, अभी किस तरीके का माहौल चल रहा है, कितना एक्साइटेड है, क्योंकि आप दिन ब दिन लोगों से बातचीत करते होंगे, लोगों से बातचीत होती होगी, और कहीं ना कहीं लोगों में एक उत्साह, उमंग देखने को मिलता रहा होगा। तो अभी के इस तौर पर देखा जाए तो व्हाट्स द फीडबैक गोइंग ऑन?
Feedback is very nice. Like all seats are gone. So our release were in two phases. So first was gone in within 2 hours. Another was gone in just like 5 minutes. So people are calling to us for just begging for one seat, but we are full. We don't have any seat available, unfortunately, over here. We are still in talk with Opera House if they can allow us like little speech of Guruji outside of Opera House. Like Nelson Mandela came to Opera House. उस टाइम पे पूरा फुल हो गया था, बट दे अलाउड हिम टू स्पीक इन फ्रंट ऑफ ओपेरा हाउस। सो गुरुजी का फैन फॉलोइंग है, पीपल आर कॉलिंग, दे डोंट नो इवन हिंदी, सो मेनी पीपल दे आर स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश, दे डोंट नो व्हाट इज द हिंदी, so they are just saying let's give us one seat only. So we are happy with this sort of feedback. uh, Wherever I go, like yesterday I've been to an Indian restaurant, and the waiter over there, he was asking for the ticket. He said like everything is full, because he know me, he saw me somewhere, and he said like एक टिकट मिल जाए तो प्लीज। तो ऐसा हम स्ट्रीट पे जा रहे हैं, कभी मार्केट में जा रहे हैं, तो पीपल जस्ट आस्किंग अबाउट दिस, सो वी आर ऑल्सो हैप्पी। लाइक ये इवेंट इस प्लेस पे आ गया है कि जहाँ पे लोग कहीं पे भी हम लोग जा रहे हैं तो दे आस्किंग फॉर द टिकट, एंड पीपल नॉट जस्ट लाइक जो हिंदी बैकग्राउंड से हैं, जो हु ओनली स्पीक हिंदी, नॉट जस्ट दे, जो इंग्लिश बैकग्राउंड से हैं, जो यूथ यहाँ पे जिनका बर्थ हुआ है, एंड वो कभी इंडिया गए भी नहीं है, बट उन्होंने रील्स देखी हैं गुरुदेव की, उन्होंने उनकी वीडियोस देखे हैं, so they want to join our event as well, so we are so happy.
एग्जैक्टली क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं हमारे देश के लिए भी काफी गर्व का ये बात रहा है, और लोगों के अंदर भी कहीं ना कहीं एक उत्साह है। ये भी एक प्रवीण जी चीज देखने को मिली होगी, कुछ चैलेंजेस भी आपने फेस किए होंगे इस पूरे इवेंट को ऑर्गेनाइज करवाने के लिए, क्योंकि इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू हैपन इन इंडिया, राइट, एंड इट्स गोइंग टू हैपन इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया, एंड द ओवरसीज इवेंट्स विल टॉक अबाउट, देयर आर सम challenges must have faced in organizing the wholesome event, and people are getting so excited for this event. Bageshwar Dham is coming, he has a great fan following together, and doing your wholesome event in the Opera House is also one of the challenging part in the whole event. What all other challenges you have faced in this event?
Challenges like to spread this message about this event to the community, because people are busy over here in life, like they work, they just like Monday to Friday they go to work, and Saturday Sunday spend with family. So this was the challenge, like how we gonna spread this message about this event. So we were like connecting with we were trying to connect with some media partners, and with some Indian communities. So that was the challenge, and few people were not like interested, like they don't know. So we went over there and we explained few people, like a few respected people over here who represent the community, basically, to tell them like what is Sanatan Dharma, and for what we are doing, what is the reason behind that. So they convinced, and they also wanted to come. So those are the challenges only. Apart from that, so far so good. With Guruji blessing, we are doing so good, and we are so happy. Yeah.
Yeah, good to know
Everything
that.
is on track now.
Basically, it's a very proud moment for Indians as well. And Praveen ji, if we'll talk about the future plans, basically कहीं ना कहीं लोगों के अंदर एक सनातन धर्म को लेकर, हमारी संस्कृति को लेकर, हमारे ट्रेडिशन कल्चर को लेकर लोगों में नॉलेज बढ़ रही है, लोग इंटरेस्टेड हैं, इच्छुक है जानने के लिए चीज़ों को, नॉट इवन इन इंडिया, अब्रॉड ऑल्सो. एंड if we talk about the future plans, are you planning for organizing these type of same events near future or in upcoming time?
Yes, definitely. So now, like we are done over here, the people who are like sitting over here from last 30 years, they've never tried this one, and we tried this one first time. So so many people they asking about the price. कुछ लोगों को तो पता भी नहीं है कि हायर करने का प्राइस क्या होता है इतने बड़े मोन्यूमेंट का. तो हमने इसको किया. अभी बहुत से लोग हमारे पास आ रहे हैं like how much was the price and we want to do that one. They also wanted to do something like that from different backgrounds and different society. So we also helping them. Okay, we are doing like that, and in future definitely we're gonna do something bigger than this one. This is just the gathering of 3,000 people. In near future we are thinking about more than 10,000 people of हिंदू एंड सनातन कल्चर. सो जो भी सनातन कल्चर से और हिंदू बैकग्राउंड से बिलोंग करते हैं, हम लोग मोर देन 10,000 का गैदरिंग करेंगे इन नियर फ्यूचर के अंदर. एक दिन के अंदर एक पूरे वर्ल्ड को मैसेज आएगा कि वसुदेव कुटुंबकम का जो मैसेज है वो इंडिया में बैठ के नहीं, हम भारत से बाहर चाहे किसी भी कंट्री में हो लेकिन दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, हम वो मैसेज बाहर से भी हम स्प्रेड कर सकते हैं, जो एक हर भारतीय का सपना होता है. तो वी आर ऑल्सो प्राउड ऑफ दिस कि हमने ये किया है. And people are calling us from USA, Britain, Germany, and New Zealand, Fiji, just for one ticket. People are coming around more than 100 from each country, and we are so happy about that. The message, feedback we are getting actually. So, हम लोग in future, near future, we will do in USA, we will do in New Zealand, and we will do in Canada. We will do everywhere, every country wherever Gurudev will guide us, and we're gonna do that one for sure.
Yeah, good to know that, Praveen ji. Like, if such kind of events come with a lot of creativity, spirituality, and with a lot of patience you need. And near future में भी आप ये सब चीजें प्लान कर रहे हैं. Good to know that, क्योंकि अपने ही देश की जो आपने खुद ने कहा कि वासुदेव कुटुंबकम, ये सही बात है. हमारे देश को ज्यादा से ज्यादा बढ़ावा देने के लिए, उसके कल्चर को ज्यादा से ज्यादा इंक्रीज करने के लिए कहीं ना कहीं काफी जरूरी है. क्या मेरा एक आखिरी प्रश्न आपसे रहेगा कि इज ऑस्ट्रेलियन गवर्नमेंट इज हेल्पिंग यू इन एनी वे, और डिड यू फेस एनी काइंड ऑफ issues related to organizing this wholesome event?
Australian government is very nice and they are supporting Indian culture. And when we went over there, went to the government and explained them, they are so happy. So Gurudev is coming in Parliament as well in Sydney on 14th. He will be joining Parliament House for the session for 2 hours. So few MPs from Australian government will be joining us. And in Opera House also, so many politicians they are coming who are like on the higher positions right now. So they will come and join us. Australian government so kind and they are helping us a lot because they also joining this event and they are supporting a lot. And they assured us like wherever we need, we can go them and we can ask for the help. But they are supporting. They are very nice people. Yeah, thank you so much.
But last but not the least, do you want to say something to Indians, to Australian people, or the Pravasi Indians living in abroad? Do you want to say anything from your side?
Yes, I want to say कि ये फर्स्ट टाइम हम लोग किसी बड़े वेन्यू के ऊपर सनातन संगम, जिसका नाम सनातन से है, वो इतना बड़ा ऑर्गेनाइज करने जा रहे हैं. इसमें हमें पूरा 6 मंथ से ऊपर का टाइम लगा है सारा इस पॉइंट तक पहुंचने के लिए. तो आप लोग सब लोग आइए, इसको सपोर्ट कीजिए. ये गुरुदेव का अकेले का प्रोग्राम नहीं है. ये समस्त जो भी भारत से बाहर किसी भी कंट्री में रह रहे हो, सब सनातनियों का संगम है. इसको ज्वाइन कीजिए, अपने सनातन की एकता दिखाइए, अपने सनातन कल्चर की वैल्यू दिखाइए. एक साथ एक छत के नीचे खड़े होकर के जब हम जय श्री राम का नारा लगाएंगे तो पूरी दुनिया देखेगी कि सनातन में भी वो हिम्मत है कि इतना बड़ा कदम उठा सकते हैं.
Thank you so much, Mr. Praveen. You shared us such a valuable comments and valuable thing, and we wish you all the best for your event. And this was Mr. Praveen Sharma with us. He shared the valuable comments and the valuable insights about the upcoming events and the efforts to promote Sanatan Dharma and Indian culture in Australia. Events like these not only brings the community together and also helps the younger generation stays connected with their roots and traditions. To our viewers, if you found this conversation very interesting, don't forget to follow Update Australia for more stories and podcasts will come up with a new thing. I'm your host Priya Bansal signing off. Thank you so much for watching this beautiful podcast. You're watching Update Australia.
Thank you, Priya, for inviting me in your studio. Jai Shri Ram. Thank you.
Thank you.